There are times when you would want to merge symbols to make a simpler symbol. Let's imagine, for the sake of argument, these three symbols here represented existing trees on the site, and we really don't need quite such an elaborate symbol for them. We can use the modify and Copse command to select those symbols, the three of them there, and then hit the enter key. And what that will do is merge the three into one, and you notice that a relatively large crosshair appears in the middle. Now you can manipulate that crosshair in any way you like. So if we select the symbol, the crosshair symbol now, that's the marker, if you like, that indicates the plants there. A cross is normally used to indicate a new plant. You might want to indicate with a circle that these are existing plants. So you can simply edit the block and choose draw circle, and we'll center radius, and we'll snap to that center point there, and then pull out and put a circle in there, and we can eliminate these two lines and erase, close the block editor, and now when we return we've got a marker. Now you can say, that looks just a little bit large, so let's pick it again and edit the block, and we'll scale it for some variety, scale about that point by 0.5, so we now have a circle to indicate. When we close the block editor, we now have a circle. So that works reasonably well from my point of view. You could say, well, what's the distance from, say, across that symbol? It's about 15, 16 feet across. You could do something like select that block, edit the block, scroll out a bit, put a new circle down, again send it here with, and we'll give it a radius of say 8, and we've got a circle out there. Now we could change the colour of that circle. We'll give it a green colour, and we'll make it filled, and close our block editor again. So now we've got quite a different symbol. So you could use that type of approach. In my view, that blocks everything out. So I'll get in there again and edit that block and just take off the fill and close the block editor and zoom extents again. Can you see that you can manipulate and now when I look at it I'm not happy, and I'll go back to just using the circle. So for a final burst we'll go edit that block and erase this one and close the block editor, and we're back to where I want to be. So can you see you can manipulate the appearance of the copse that results from merging some plants very, very easily indeed. We might well put an option in the future to put a sort of fancy edging around the edge of that copse, which has been suggested by one of our users.